There, I'm Swetha Sridharan, Senior Product Manager for IBM API Connect, walking you through some of the improvements done to the develop section in the latest version of IBM API Connect version 10.0.3. So there are some significant improvements done to the API editor, and let's take a look at what those are. In the past, I was able to import a file, existing file, upload and file from my laptop or desktop, but with this new version, I could just specify the URL and import the spec from this URL. The new API editor, which was introduced for OpenAPI 3 in 4Q 2020, has been extended to the OpenAPI 2 as well. We have consolidated both the editors to have easy to navigate tree-like structure, which enables the developer to access any part of the OpenAPI spec easily. So we've grouped the objects that are strictly related to the OpenAPI specification under the Design tab, and you can access, like I said, any part of the specification from this navigation structure. And you can easily, let's say, toggle between the form view and the source view in the same page itself. The Gateway tab that you see here has the IBM configurations needed to implement the OpenAPI on our gateway. So similarly, we have the navigation structure similar to what you saw in the Design tab on this tab as well. I'm sure you may have already noticed that we have brought back the Explorer view by popular demand. So in the Explorer tab, you would be able to see how your API documentation will actually look on the developer portal for your consumers right from the editor itself. So you can also test this API by using the try it feature. Another important feature that I would like to call out is the introduction of API testing preferences. Let me show you how it works. Now, the API developer previously was able to do testing only in the Sandbox catalog. He or she was confined to do testing only with Sandbox. But with the introduction of API testing preferences, you would not only be able to choose the catalog that you want to publish to start testing with, but also choose the gateway service, your target product, your rate limit, application, and have these preferences saved. So let me quickly show you how. So the cogwheel setting button here as you can see, even though all the gateway services associated with this catalog has been listed, I will only be able to choose the ones or choose the gateway type that is compatible with my API. So I'm not able to choose a v5 gateway. So I'm going to go with, let's say, gateway 2. I can either stay with generating an auto product or choose an existing product. So for this demo, I'm just going to go with auto product. Again, you can change the rate limit. You can have it as unlimited, or you can do custom, which means I can change the number of calls here. So I would have to choose my application here. So this catalog doesn't have uh, an existing application. So either I would have to go back to the catalog and create an app so that I would be able to use it here, or I could simply change the catalog, which has an app that I could continue testing with. So let's say for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to just change it back to catalog 1. Choose a gateway type and proceed to choose an existing app. So once I've made all these selections, I can click on Save Preferences to save my settings here. Now the selection or the preferences are saved at the browser level. So now I can go ahead and quickly publish this API from, by turning on the toggle. Another thing that I would like to show you all is from the policies test tool, you can see that my selections in the preferences screen has been updated for me. So I could continue to test from, from this screen as well. The next thing that I would like to show you all in the develop section is in the product editor. So let's say let's open a product here, and it tells me if it's published or not. And if it is published, it would tell me to which catalog it is published. So let's take an example here. So let's go ahead and publish this via an actual product. It says So let's go back to the product editor screen here. And as you can see, the status has been shown as published. And when I click on this, it tells me to which catalog this product has been published to. This saves a lot of time, from having to check in the catalog screen if a particular product has been published or not. So we've made some significant improvements to the API editor, and in addition to that, we have also made added support for adding OpenAPI extensions, improved our global policy support and log policy support. We have extensive documentation with lots of examples on our Knowledge Center. The blog post shares the link for you to check them all out. I hope you enjoyed this demo session. Thank you so much.